Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we show you the some crochet angels pattern collection. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. Beautiful and different color combination. Crochet Angels Pattern Designs Collection. New ideas Crochet Angels All Collection Design. Beautiful stylish colors. Crochet Angel Design. White color is so beautiful. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of Crochet Angels Pattern Designs collection. These are all handmade crochet angels pattern. These all collection are very useful. You can see the beauty of these crochet angels pattern designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching.